Hi, I'm Katie. Welcome to Pedalways. Today we're going to talk about how to fit a helmet. So if we look inside of our helmet, we can see that there's a plastic frame that goes most of the way around where our head will go. And on the back here, we've got a little knob that does tightening and loosening, and that's going to adjust the circumference and tightness of this helmet. It's important to note that helmets do come in different sizes. They typically have a sticker on the inside that tells you the centimeter measurement. So you've got small, medium, large, and extra large helmets. When you are buying a helmet, it's really important to get one that fits correctly.
If you have long hair, fasten it low so that the helmet will fit directly on top of your head. I grab the frame with my thumb so that it'll fit over my head. You want to make sure this helmet is directly on top of your head, not to the side or too far forward. Fasten your buckle and make sure that it's no more than 2 centimeters or 2 finger lengths from your chin so that it's comfortable but safe. Adjust your side adjusters so that they're below your ears, tighten the frame, throw some sunglasses on, and enjoy your ride.